Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel Mental My Tech, and in this video today we're going to be talking about the WordPress dashboard and everything you need to know about the WordPress dashboard. We'll be taking through a walkthrough process of the WordPress dashboard and showing you every single thing on the WordPress dashboard and how they work. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, this is Mental My Tech, and on this channel we'll make videos around making money online and starting up your own online business. Like you can see right here, we'll teach you and show you all the secrets you need to know about starting up your own online business. So if you're visiting this channel for the very first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you get notified once you drop a new video, and also do not forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and people you know this video is going to be beneficial to, and also drop a comment in the comment section of this video. And if you're returning back to our channel, thank you for coming back, and we hope that you enjoyed today's video, because this video is going to be amazing if you stay through from the beginning to the end. Now, last video we talked about the cpanel, and we showed you several things about the cpanel, and also we went down to the WordPress, created a new WordPress account for a website, and ended at the dashboard of the WordPress, right? So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the whole dashboard of the WordPress, the various things you need to know about the WordPress dashboard, and how you can log in and several other things. All right. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, like this video immediately, because this video is going to be very educative, informative, and entertaining. All right. So with that being said, we are going to go straight into today's training. Like I said, it's going to be about the WordPress dashboard. All right. So now the first thing, like we said in our last video, to visit your WordPress dashboard is just simply your website name slash WP2 admin. All right. So whenever you create a new WordPress account on your cpanel through Softaculous Apps Installer, all you need to do is come over to a new browser, type in your domain name and the extension slash WP2 admin. All right. Slash WP2 admin. This is the way in which you log into your WordPress dashboard. All right, just the same way when you want to log into your cpanel, you log in through branddev.com, like you can see here, branddev.com/cpanel. When you want to log into your webmail, you log in through the domain name slash webmail. Same thing when you want to log into your cpanel, your WordPress dashboard, you log in through branddev.com, which is the domain name, and the extension slash WP. The WP there stands for WordPress, and you can see at the end admin. The admin stands for administrator or whatever. All right. So always remember to add the little sign here, WP2 admin. All right. Always remember to add that whenever you are trying to log into your WordPress dashboard. All right. So now I'm going to be logging into this particular site, which is branddev.com/mmt. All right, branddev.com/mmt. Okay, now the reason why we are logging through something like this, like I explained in our last video, this is the main domain name, but since there's already an existing site under branddev.com, we're going to be logging through branddev.com/mmt, which means I installed the website under this particular domain name. All right, so this is branddev.com/mmt slash WP to admin. All right, branddev.com is one site on its own, and branddev.com/mmt is also another site on its own. Definitely, branddev.com/mmt also has its own WP admin. All right, so that's why we are filling in branddev.com/mmt/WP to admin. I hope you understand that. If you do not understand, kindly drop it to the comment section. I will make another video to explain each and every of these things again so you can properly understand. Or will be in the comment section to provide more answers to every of your questions. All right, so after filling that in, branddev.com/mmt/WP to admin, we hit on enter. Okay, we hit on enter. On signing in, I need to log out, so I'll show you the whole process of signing into this place. All right, so now you enter in your password, which is the username or email address. You can enter in your password, anything you want to fill, like we did in the last time, and also your password. And when you do that, you just simply hit on login. Okay, so when you click on login, it's going to log you into your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard is, like we saw in our last video, and I'm going to be explaining each and every of these things on the dashboard where I'm scrolling my mouse through right now. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you what each and every of these things is used to do on the WordPress dashboard. So starting from the first, when you click on it, it's simply going to take you to this page here. This is your dashboard, and you can just go through it quickly to read through. No much things to actually see here. We're going to move over to the next one, which is post. Okay, so coming over to post, this section on your WordPress dashboard is usually used when you are creating blogging sites, okay, or when you want to post anything about blogging, all right, or a website has a blogging feature attached to it. Now, there are some websites that have some blogging features attached to it, meaning it can be a company site, could be a school site, could be a university site, could be a workplace site, anything like that, or an entertainment site, okay, but it's actually a site to pass a certain information and not majorly for the purpose of blogging. But because it's actually suitable for the site to actually carry a blog section, they actually add that blog section to the site. Okay, and whenever you want to do anything regards blogging, all you need to do is come over to the post section and do all your stuff about blogging. All right. So when you come over to post, some things are going to pop up on your screen, which is all post, add new categories and tags. So I'm going to be explaining what every of these things is used for. Now, for all posts, it shows you all the posts you already have on your site, and you can just edit or trash or stuff like that. Okay. Then when you go over to add a new post, when you go over to add now, let's say, for example, this is a blog post on this particular website, all right? When you click on edit, it means you want to edit this particular blog post, all right? When you click on quick edit, you also want to edit. It's also little the edit option. When you click on trash, it means you want to trash this particular blog post on the website. Then when you click on view, it takes you over to the front end of the website where you can actually view that post on the front end. All right. So this is all about the all post section. It shows you all the posts you already have on this particular site neatly arranged here, so you can just quickly edit, delete, or anything you want to do. When you want to add a new post, is either you come through this option here, or you come over to this option here beside this post and click on add a new post. Now we click on add a new post, it's going to load up for you. Okay, it's going to load up here for you, and you can just add your title of the post and all of that here. Now we're just going to go back. We're going to go back because of the kind of editor that is actually showing. We can't add a post. I'll show you why we can't use that editor on building on WordPress. Okay, some people actually prefer using that editor, which is block editor, while some people actually prefer using classic editor. I prefer using classic editor because it's much more easy and well arranged to use, and I'll show you the reason why we actually use classic editor when we are using or working on WordPress. Okay, so we're done with the post section. We go over to the categories. Now these categories is where you can actually tag a particular blog post to. All right, just the same way you tag your pages to menus and stuff like that, you also tag a particular blog post to a category. Okay, let's take for example you are building a real blog site, and you're building a blog site that you blog about entertainment, politics, education, lifestyle, and all of that, music. Now you are uploading content regarding entertainment, regarding politics, regarding music, regarding politics, and all of that. So you need to set up categories on this website so that each post you are uploading can be tagged to a particular category. Okay, so when you're uploading a content regarding politics, you tag it to the category section. So when anybody visits your platform, it's not going to be scattered. And when they go over to the politics section, they can see all your posts regarding politics. Okay, so it's going to be uploaded on your homepage and as well also uploaded on your categories section. Moving off to the next section, we have media. This is used to upload pictures, videos, and manage all of that. Okay, so the next page we have next option we have pages. Now on the pages section, this section actually works with when you are building a real company website, a school website, and all of that that has to do with pages, whereby you have the home page, about us page, service page, and all of that. You can do all of that from the pages section. And just the same way this one is right here, the post section is the same way you still have the pages section. When you click on all pages, it shows you all the pages you have created on that particular website, and you can get to edit, quick edit, trash, and preview that particular page. You can see this already has two pages here, and you can just do all of those functions from here. And when you click on add a new page, you get to create a brand new page and do all your editing and all of that. Okay, comment is used to manage comment, appearance is used to manage themes. Okay, when you want to upload a particular theme on a particular website, so you can build that site, because websites are actually built with themes and templates. Okay, you can see some already existing themes and templates here, and when you want to add a new one, all you just need to do is click on add new, and it's going to take you into your computer where you can just upload a new theme and upload into your computer and start editing. Okay, so you can see a lot of WordPress themes. WordPress has some themes, and you can see some of them here, which you can just easily activate and start using, install, activate, and start using. But if you don't want to use any of these WordPress themes here, you can download a theme, buy a theme. We have Divi, we have a lot of themes. You can download or buy them and come over here to upload those themes on your website. Okay, so moving over, we have plugins. Plugins are very essential when building websites. Plugins are very essential when building websites. So when you come over to plugins, here is where you manage all your plugins. You have installed plugins already on the website where you can just activate, delete, or do anything you want with those themes, plugins, and you can add a new plugin. Now there are already some existing plugins on your website. We have the classic editor, Akismet, and we have Jetpack, we have Classic Widget, we have a whole lot of plugins, even some that you cannot find on the homepage here. We have a whole lot of plugins. Any plugin you are looking for, you can just come over here to search for it and it's going to come up for you. We have plugins for shipments, cargo, courier. We have plugins for live chat. We have plugins for WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat, email marketing. A whole lot of plugins are all here. So when you are just looking for a plugin, all you need to do is come over to the search bar here, search for the type of plugin you are looking for, and it's going to come up. Let's try it. Let's say we are looking for a plugin that can help us while building courier websites to generate tracking codes or shipping numbers. All right. So what I need to do is come over here and check for WP Cargo. Okay, WP Cargo. And when I check for that, it's going to load up for me and bring out that particular plugin. So you can see the plugin right here, and they're going to give you a whole lot of options to use. When you're looking for a particular plugin, they don't just give you one plugin option, they give you several plugin options that also perform the same function. So you just check properly if this is a plugin that matches what you want to do. Let's say we're looking for a plugin regarding WhatsApp chat. Okay, WhatsApp chat, and check, is going to actually bring it up for us. You can just say click to chat app here, and this actually works for your WhatsApp chat. If you're looking for Facebook chat, is here. The whole lot of plugins you are looking for, they are all here. They are all here. All right. So all you need to do is just install them and use them to do anything you want to do. Now, the Classic Editor, whenever you install WordPress on your site, the first thing to install is Classic Editor, because it makes your work much more neater and well arranged, and you can easily do what you are doing with ease. Not unlike Block Editor that just leaves it wide open and it's not actually very easy and organized to use. So we always prefer using Classic Editor. Once you just want to use this plugin, all you need to do is click on the install button. It's going to load up and you can see installed. And once you click on activate, it's going to activate this particular plugin for you. And you can see it right here. Now you can deactivate this or go to settings to change one of the settings about it. Okay. Now users manages all users on the platform. You can add a new user. Maybe you want to share your account to somebody else to also be having access to login. You can add a user, create a password for that user so you can be logging at any time he wants to log in to do anything here. You can also give him roles and say, okay, on this platform or on this website, you are just the administrator, you are this, you're that, editor, and all of that. Okay, so adding a new user, you give the user a username, his email, first name and last name, website, password. You can generate a password for the user or type in your own password. Now, you can give the user a role. Is he subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator? If you give him administrator, he can be in full in charge. The same power you have as the administrator of the site, same power he has as the administrator. If it's an editor, it means you can just come here to only edit stuff and leave, right? If it's an author, it means you can just come here to only write stuff, save it and leave. Okay, so you come here, give the user a role, and that's all. So you click on all users, you get to see all people who have access or rules on this particular site as a user. Coming over to tools, these are some of the things that are associated with this particular tool on the WordPress dashboard. Available tools, import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data, theme file editor, plugin file editor. So these are all the things that has to do with tools. When you want to edit your plugins, edit your themes, and all of that, you can do it from the tool section here. Coming over to settings, here we have a whole lot of other options. We have the general settings, writing, reading, discussion, media, palm links, and privacy. Now, some of the most important ones we use here in the settings option is mostly the general settings and the reading settings. Now we click on the general settings, it's going to come up here, and these are some of the options we have under the general settings. Now we have the site title tagline. Now when you are opening a website for the very first time and you put your mouse, let's say for example you are opening a website. Now let me show you some example of what I'm talking about. Let me say I'm visiting this website, Webit. Okay, now let me load up this site for you and let me show you what these two things are used for: site title and tagline. Now, after I open this website and I place my mouse on it, you can see something showing up on my screen here, a picture coming up of the Webit website, and before the picture, you see a text saying Webit Technologies best website design company in Benin City. Okay, now those things you just read, there are more of it, but those things you just read, they are what we call part of the site title and part of this tagline. Okay, now I can say, okay, whenever anybody visits this website, what should be on the site title is MMT. Okay, MMT. And whenever I am on the tagline, what should be there is best YouTube channel in Nigeria. Okay, best YouTube channel in Nigeria. So once I'm done with that, I just scroll down here and click on save changes, and this is automatically going to save. So when I'm visiting this channel, you can come over here, click on visit channel, click on visit channel, and it's going to take you to the front end of the website. And when you place your mouse here, you can see what we did just now is already showing. You can see MMT best YouTube channel in Nigeria. Both the tagline and the site title all is already well arranged. Now coming over to the reading section, when you come over to the reading section, the next most important thing we use on the settings is where you can actually place your website on static page. Okay, so this is where you can select a particular page to start showing on the home page. Now, when you upload a new theme into your website, what you're still going to be seeing in the front end is still something like this. Okay, so when you want the theme you have uploaded on the back end to be showing on the front end, you just come over here. It's going to be on your latest post, so you click it on a static page. Now, when you click on the first option here, which is home page, they're going to ask you to enter a particular page you want to show on your front end. You're going to see a variety of pages you have added to this website, and definitely we would have definitely added a page which will be the home page. So when you click here, you're going to see home page. We're going to be showing you all of these things in our next video when we're actually building a proper website. Okay, so when you see the home page, you click on it and come down here to click on save changes, go back, and you see that whatever thing is here has changed to your new template or your new theme that your website is currently carrying. Okay, so these are some of the things we do with the general settings and the reading settings. Coming over to the right settings, we do not usually use this part of you know the settings options. Here you can just click the type of editor you want. Is it classic editor or is it block editor? We have two editors currently on this platform. We have the classic editor, we also have the block editor. So many times, like I said, we prefer using the classic editor. So it's better you also use the classic editor. So when you come over here, you can click on collapse menu and everything is going to go down. Okay, so these are some of the things that we use on the WordPress dashboard to make our work very easy and to actually make sure you get a website designed for yourself. Okay, so in our next video, when we're actually going to be building a proper website, we're going to be showing you some of these things and how you use them to achieve a beautiful design of a website. Okay, so till our next video, do well to subscribe if you watch this video and you have not yet subscribed. Also like this video if you enjoy watching the video. Share this video to your friends and people you know these videos are going to be beneficial to. And also do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions regarding anything we have explained in today's video. See you in our next video and thank you for watching.